This is our ReAX control system lineup, and a year ago we introduced it at InfoComm, showing the concept of doing an open architecture control system, which was to work off of JavaScript as a base for the server side as well as the client side. And this year we're showing that it's not just talk, that it's real. And so we've introduced a total of 8 products, most of which are now shipping. These are the desktop panels, 10-inch, as you can see, and the 7-inch. And these aren't just interfaces, these are actually brains too. So very low cost, very powerful. They're actually running off of Android because our platform can run on Android, Linux, as well as Windows. And we're not just talking the interface, we're talking the actual engine itself that makes it automate and do what it does. We also have the wall-mounted versions over here as well. They flush mount into the wall with the back box. And so we have a 10-inch and a 7-inch in that. We have a Pentium class processor version of it, which could go campus-wide. And that's running Linux on that one.
Very excited about this.
And then we have a variety of control boxes with all different port counts, like the QXC44, which has 4 of every port, as well as the new RXC1 and the RXC3. So one of the things that's important about this is the core studio tools. It's a drag and drop tool that will design the interfaces. It's a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, and it does drag and drop code writing. Or you can just write it in JavaScript or use however way you want to do it. That's one of the beautiful things about it, is you don't even have to use our tools with it. Now that phase 1 is over and we show that this is real, the next phase is phase 2, where we're going to take parts of our intellectual property and we're going to create a separate organization called ReAX, and we're going to have founders, adopters, and contributors, and it's going to be a consortium, so that way we can open it up to, yes, believe it or not, our competitors. And then this way you can choose which products you want to use together, if you want to focus on one, but the common theme is the macros, the IR libraries, the protocols, the source codes will all work and interoperate between all these different manufacturers. So think of it as like an HDMI or an HD-Base or an SDVOE, but for control. So this way gives the choice back to the end users and the dealers, and that's exactly what we're doing here.